Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Feedly automated newsletters not sending. So if the Feedly's automated newsletter, as I told you, aren't sending, it's usually due to settings, plan limitations, or sync issues. So actually guys, at first you will need to check your Feedly plan. The automated newsletters like the daily and weekly summarized require Feedly Pro Plus or higher. So the free accounts cannot send automated newsletters. So you'll need to upgrade your plan if needed, okay? And then just verify the newsletter settings, okay? So just go with that signal icon that you can see at the bottom of my screen. It's on the green color, and then tap on the newsletters at the top right, okay? And after tapping it, you will need to check the selected feeds are correct and the frequency like daily, weekly is set, and the recipient email addresses are correct, okay? And then just confirm the email addresses, so make sure recipient emails are valid, and avoid typos or blocked domains, and check the spam and junk folders. Sometimes newsletters land there, okay? Also, in the newsletter settings right here, go with send text or test and preview, and if the test doesn't arrive, the problem is in Feedly or email delivery. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.